We're playing a tune and we're singing a song with a bing and a bong and a bing. Bong, bing, boo, bing, bong, bing, bing, bong, bingly, bongly, boo. Bing, bong, bing, bong, bing, boo, we're all going to the zoo. Ting, ting, this is the zoo stop.
Children, are you ready to see all kinds of animals?
Yes, please! There's a pool with some black and white birds waddling along. Penguins! I'm a penguin. Waddle, waddle. Can you waddle like a penguin? Could it be? Crocodiles! I'm a crocodile! Snap, snap! Can you snap your hands like a crocodile's mouth? Bong, bing, boo, bing, bong, bing, bing, bong, bingly, bongly, boo. Bing, bong, bing, boo, I'm a crocodile at the zoo. Now we are in a beautiful warm house with flowers. And there's something fluttering around the flowers. Butterflies! I'm a butterfly. Flap, flap. Can you flap your wings like a butterfly? Bong, bing, boo, bing, bong, bing, bingly, bongly, boo. Bing, bong, bing, boo, I'm a butterfly at the zoo. There are so many animals at the zoo. Can you roar like a lion? Can you squawk like a parrot? Or jump like a frog? And